As for what Ukraine wants from the United States of America, all this is there. We have conveyed to the President of the United States of America with details and with an illustration. What Ukraine wants and all this, in principle, is provided for in our big agreement for 90 billion, but we are ready for separate agreements, separate types of weapons, including long-range ones. As for the Suvorovs, we could also talk there, but I don't hear any steps from them, except for some media signals that are accurate in support of Ukraine. And we also see reconnaissance drones. One drone has been recorded. There is a corresponding movement there. I asked, by the way, to show it to people, because they say that we are making something up. 92 drones flew into Poland. We shot them all down. 19 reached them. Yes, we shot them down on Ukrainian territory, of course. You could say they were flying towards us, but we see the direction and, as they say, the choreography of this flight, so we believe that it was 92. We shot them all down. 19, we believe, flew in. 4 were shot down by the Poles. The Israeli complex operates in Ukraine. The moon. The moon is working. We get 2 Patriot systems in person. Russia should clearly know that civilized countries differ from savage ones in that they never start first and are not aggressors. But this does not mean that they are weak. And one should not show weakness if they threaten a blackout. For example, in the capital of Ukraine, the Kremlin must know that there will be a blackout in the capital of Russia.